All right, real quick, right? I know many of you guys out there booking Amazon loads, and you have no idea what the rate per mile need to be like before you book it. So I'm going to have a screenshot of a load that I just booked for my driver. My driver is in Dallas, Texas. Today actually Friday, and for some reason, due to Thanksgiving, we decided to take off, and he dropped off Wednesday, and then Thursday was Thanksgiving, whatever, so we took off. And today I said, you know what, let me book an Amazon load for him. He's gonna run it tonight, and tomorrow night also, which is Saturday, and then Monday we'll be ready for OTR, right? But the rate per mile, it was pretty good. This load going 106 miles away, guys. All right, and it's paying $581.27. So I'm gonna have the screenshot on the screen so you guys could take a look at it and what your rate per mile need to be like or need to look like before you book it. Because many of you guys are booking loads when it's like $2 per mile, you just jump on it without knowing that you are going 100 miles away, but you will come back another 100 miles, right? So that would be 200 miles. So if you're booking a load $2 per mile and you're going 100 miles and you're coming back, that would be $1 per mile, right? But this load that I have here is $5.48 per mile. So when you do the math, $5.48, all right? So 5.48 divided by 2, that gives you $2.74 per mile. So it means that it's paying you $2.74 to go, $2.74 to come back. I got my queen in the background. You guys can see her, right? So stuff like this, that's the way, especially these days we have like a busy season. Even though Amazon is not busy, it's kind of like everyone, all right? OTR, things is really slow this year compared to last year. Because last year, I'm being honest with you, my auto driver and I was killing it last year. We were making decent amount of money. Each truck was at least able to pull us $7,000 a week. That was crazy. But this year, it doesn't even looks like peak season. So therefore, y'all need to hold on to your phone. All right, don't get me wrong though. I have early access. Maybe that's the reason, but I know some of y'all don't have early access. So you'll just grab whatever you're able to grab and then you move on, right? So when you see here, it say congratulations, whatever, early access and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, if you don't have early access, you still want to hang out. Do not just book any load because you want to make money. You need to know your rate per mile. All right. So when you look at the load and say, it's going 200 miles, you need to multiply that. All right. 200 plus another 200 to come back. That puts you 400 miles. So do not book a load that pay $2 per mile if you're only going 200 miles. You're coming back 200 miles empty. All right. But that's your boy from Africa. I just wanted to share that little moment with you guys because I know it's even though it's not busy season for Amazon, technically it's not. It doesn't look like it's a busy season. Seriously, compared to last year, right? But you guys need to be smart how you move your truck. All right. Like I said, this is not really bad to me at all. It's not bad. $5 something per mile. So my driver could go drop it off and then come right back and wait for another load. If you're able to drop it off on time, I will look on the load board to see if there's any load because it's going only 100 miles. So it was taking another hour and a half to come back. So I can book another load again. So at the end of the night, we can easily make 1,000 or maybe more, depending on how long it's going to take him to drop off that load. But that's your boy from Africa. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.